DREO Portable Air Conditioner, Honest Review. I've been using the DREO Portable AC for over a week, and it has quickly become a must-have during this hot season. With its 12,000 BTU cooling power, it cools down my living room fast and maintains a stable temperature even in the afternoon heat. The 3-in-1 mode is super handy. I switch between the cooling, fan, and dehumidifier depending on the weather. It saves space and energy compared to using separate devices. I was especially impressed by how quiet it runs. The noise is minimal, around 46 dB, making it perfect for working or sleeping. Its smart features are also a big plus. I connected it to Alexa and now control it by voice or through the DREO app, which adds great convenience. Installation was simple with the universal window kit, and I had it up and running in less than 30 minutes. Overall, I think it's a solid, smart and quiet portable AC that really delivers on performance.